Nash is an F1 generation golden doodle. F1 stands for first generation, and it's the offspring of the initial parents in a genetic cross. He is the product of a standard poodle crossed with an English golden retriever. Since Nash is a first generation cross, he exhibits hybrid vigor. Hybrid vigor is improved or increased function of any biological quality in a hybrid offspring. An offspring exhibits heterosis if its traits are enhanced as a result of mixing the genetic contribution of its parents. With each successive generation, vigor is lost. The back cross, F1B golden doodle, is produced by crossing an F1 golden doodle with a poodle. Second generation golden doodles, F2, are produced by crossing an F1 golden doodle with a poodle. F2 stands for the second filial generation, and it's offspring of the F1 generation in a genetic cross, the third generation of a genetic cross. Nash will soon be the father to a litter. He will be bred with an F2 golden doodle. Lily, who he will be bred with, has a curly cream-colored coat, where Nash has a wavy apricot coat. Hypothetically, cream is heterozygous and apricot is homozygous, recessive. The wavy coat is incompletely dominant between the straight and curly coat. Heterozygous means having two different alleles at a locus. Homozygous means having two identical alleles at a locus. Recessive refers to an allele or phenotype that is expressed only in homozygous. The recessive allele is not expressed in a heterozygote phenotype. Incomplete dominance is a type of dominance in which the phenotype of the heterozygote is intermediate between the phenotypes of the two homozygotes. So, hypothetically, when Lily and Nash have a litter, from this cross we see that 50% will be cream and 50% will be apricot. And their hair type, since Lily is curly and Nash is straight or wavy, 50% will be curly and 50% will be wavy.